Y'all, so shout out to the people who donated during our live stream, the Cash App. It was 6 shots,
Back to what, girl?
Resume, and Trent. Shout out to y'all. And if I missed anybody, you know it ain't personal. So we got the Trufru. Somebody sent money so we can review it. I gotta break it up. This says Nature Strawberry. Fresh and frozen with white and dark chocolate. I mean, regular milk chocolate. Go ahead and get one, y'all. Look at that.
Oh, it's cold. 3,
2, 1. Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm. 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 I'm trying to get it so you can see the strawberry. Yeah. There's a strawberry. Right there, baby. The strawberry on the inside is good. I don't see how, but it tastes fresher, maybe because it's frozen. It's like a perfect balance of flavor. It's everything you want from a chocolate-covered strawberry.
I give it a 10.
One balance.
I agree.
Chocolatey.
I give it a 10. Real good.
They're really good. The chocolate is like a high-quality chocolate. Ain't that fake wax stuff. You know what? Easily 9.8 out of 10. Easily. Try it, baby. See if you like it, Dave. 1,000. Babe, you would love this. Where's Mom? It's chocolate covered strawberries. Mom's, I think she would like it. Let's see how Mom likes it. Go ahead.
And these are strawberries?
Mm-hmm. And the chocolate's very high quality. That is delicious. That's our first time trying it. It is so good.
Very good.
Like,
a cold.
I'm addicted. Like, I need to put these up. Definitely.
The strawberry still tastes fresh.
I know.
That's the crazy part.
What would you rate these, babe? In your opinion, like
9.5.
Nice.
10.